Yeah, here we have a VECTRAX 20-inch variable speed vertical bandsaw. This also has a power feed table. Here's your table right here. It needs to be assembled. You really can't put it on the machine right now because it's very heavy. It'll be shipped with it. Also, here's your power feed frame section. The table fits on top of that, and the trunnions hook in to this section right here. What we're going to do is we're going to power up just to show you that it does operate. I'm going to start with the welder, and the welder is your welder light. Okay, here's your grinding wheel, and then when you press this button here, the welder light goes on and it welds your blade for you. Okay. Then we're going to go over here to the motor section. Okay. Turning the bottom wheel here. This is variable speed controls right here. And also there's a clutch section right here. So if you pull this lever right here, that engages it in a different speed. As you go down, that's number 2 and number 1. There's your slow speed right there. Okay. I'll just turn the machine off. Okay. Also, here's your motor, your gear motor. It's variable speed also. This is to drive the power feed for the table itself. Okay. And you control the speed with this controller right here. There's the fastest speed, and also it goes in forward and reverse. Also has a stop switch, 2 stop switches, and when you engage that stop switch, it shuts the motor off. That's your limit switch on there. It is missing the knob for the control there, as mentioned in the listing. So overall, the electrical and mechanical aspects of the machine operate fine. However, we discovered this crack in the upper frame assembly here. It travels up into here and it continues on to about here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but it appears to be a minor crack. You can see it on the other side here. You can see where the paint chipped away along the traverse of the crack right here. Okay. Also, the electrical box was badly damaged. None of the components were damaged. However, just the metal box itself was damaged. Here's kind of bent up right here. Okay. Has a few little paint scratches and dings and some stains here. I don't know what this is, but mostly on the base. Okay, now the wheel still turns, the adjusters still operate fine, and one of the reasons why it doesn't have a blade on here, we have a blade here, but it needs to be welded together and then installed on the machine itself. It includes an instruction and parts manual. If you need any parts for it. There may be some hardware missing for assembly. All we have is these 2 bolts right here, but there may be some additional bolts that you have to provide for that. But we checked all the functions on here. Everything appears to operate very nicely. Also, this light here, the work light, we forgot to tell you about this. This will need to be replaced. It's broken.